No seatbelt on this gray Honda. It's black male wearing a white t-shirt. It is boy Lincoln Nora 42 Adam. Whoa, buddy. Hope 1024.
$25.
10th and Locust. North on Locust. Not stopping. Arkansas Boy Lincoln Nora 42 Adam, BLN 428. 1037. Speed's 45. Light, almost no traffic. Black male white t-shirt. 16th and Locust. West on 16th, speed 50. North on County. Throwing marijuana out the window. 21st and County. Blew the red light at 24. He's northbound at 29. His speeds are probably over 100. He continued north. .38, running on foot at Arkansas County. On foot. Run back towards Arkansas. Where'd he go? Where? State police, stop! You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased. Look at your fucking hands. Hands. They're stupid running from ASP, buddy. No, shut up. I don't give a shit. What's your name?
I'm guessing I don't see any leadership.
I can't breathe. I had to rake this thing.
Okay, stand up.
I got hit by
Stand up. Shut up and stand up. Walk back to my car.
I can't.
You're gonna fucking walk. You can run all this way. You're gonna walk back to my car.
Come on. I just got hit by a car. Come on.
25, I got to see.
I got hit by a car.
25, Hope. Am I getting out? Stand up.
Okay.
You're gonna stand up.
Negative.
My leg. All
Can you hear me?
125.
Get up. Let me try to sit up.
I've got 115. Can you hear me?
My leg.
I'm walking her back to my car. Get EMS to the intersection there. Walk. Quit fucking reaching.
My leg is hurt. My leg hurts.
Get your hands back behind you now.
My leg hurts.
Get your fucking hands behind you.
Alright, it hurt me.
I'm gonna rip your shoulders out of socket if you reach one more time. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Okay. You trying to hurt me?
What do you have in there? Do you have a weapon?
No.
Do not reach again.
I don't have nothing.
Fucking weed. Do you have anything else on you? Go ahead.
Did he hit another vehicle?
10-4.
Oh my God, I'm going to
Stand
jail.
up. Yeah, you are.
How long?
I hope a long time. Bend over. You're gonna walk like that.
You can't grab my hair.
I am not. Walk.
Look, he grabbed my hair.
Walk.
He just grabbed my hair.
You're about to get slammed again. You better walk now.
Hold on, you trying to you pull my hair.
Walk.
You just pulled my
Walk.
hair.
You're about to get your face slammed.
Hold on, I just broke my leg.
Walk.
My leg hurt.
Walk.
Hold on, my leg hurt. My leg hurt.
I don't
Hold
care.
on.
Bend over my car. Bend over my car.
Oh, my leg hurt.
I don't care. Stay right there.
Hey, call my mama. 903-691-7771.
Hope you know all of YouTube knows your mama's number now. Stop. Stop.
I ain't did that.
Who are you?
Who are you? Bro, you harassing me.
Stop moving. Just stop.
Bro, you harassing me, bro. Hey, chill, bro. Come here, bro, please.
Don't come over here.
Hey, bro, he trying to hurt me, bro.
Lean over the car. Gosh, dang. Chill out. You're done. It's over. Stop.
My money is stuck in the car.
Stop.
Can you get my money out the car?
No, we're on my back seat.
Hey,
Walk this
help.
way.
Help. No, you trying to
I'm going to carry you if you don't walk.
Hold on, bro. No, bro. I need help, bro. Hey. What's she saying? What's she saying, bro? She got me.
On my back seat.
Hey, God, he gonna hurt me. Hey, look, he got a random civilian trying to help him.
25, Hope. I need more time to get in my back seat. That's okay. You ain't going anywhere. Thank you, though. Yeah.
He got my hair.
Yes, I do.
If you have trouble with anything,
Just back away from me,
call
please.
him and him.
All right, just back it up.
Come on, bro.
It's going to be uncomfortable unless you just comply, okay? You need to sit down and we're going to sit like this.
I want to go straight to jail, bro.
All right, then sit down in my back seat.
Okay, you trying to arrest me.
Turn around.
You trying to...
They're here. Let them know I'm in the parking lot. Parking lot of the bank.
Bro, hey, I need y'all to call somebody.
Stop.
Please, bro.
Stop.
What you trying to do to me?
Stop.
Please. Hey, bro, I'm just trying to...
I'm going to rip your shoulders out of socket if you don't
Can't
stop.
do that.
Sit down.
Alright, I'm gonna get in the car.
Then get in the car.
You hurting me, bro. You hurting me. You heard me, boy.
Units on scene at County Avenue, Arkansas Boulevard. Have a trooper on scene requesting assistance to the parking lot at Bank Boulevard. 205, I'm en route. 205. 206,
Yeah.
1010. The traffic tonight, you're with me.
Everyone slow down. 10-4.
He's in my back seat. Just watch him. He threw a bunch of dope. I'm gonna go grab all that.
10-4, I'm 10-7.
25 hope. My radio's not working right, but I guess I'm getting out. I'm 10-4. I'll need SCAs for use of force and fleeing. What's up? You want me to unlock it?
Union Hall, 66, Edward, Arkansas.
Lieutenant Union Hall 66 Edward returns on a white 2004 Chevy Tahoe to a Cherry Belt.
Hey, can I get one of you to keep camera on this?
Hey, do you want tow trucks or anything? Is there anything I can try to help you?
I'm gonna do all of it. Just hold it down for me, please.
Yeah. Hey, the owner that says she knows what it is, please right over here. She knows it's your car.
Okay. I got something, sure.
Is that all you got?
Yeah, he threw a bunch of weed along the way. Probably several more ounces, but just weed.
Damn.
Ain't worth it. You see a cut?
Yeah, your lip
Right
busted.
there.
They hit you?
Nah, I think I accidentally hit face butted. I'm really.
You got somebody else coming? You want us to transport for you?
I got it all. I appreciate it. Just hold traffic for me so we can get everything going over there. Shut up!
my side, my lord.
Good.
When you're not seeing tickets, you want to 21.
Temple.
Can I get help?